welcome back for another video. So this is a quick tutorial on how to add standard index form numbers. So the question says, add the two standard index form numbers given your answer in ordinary form. We have 8.7 times 10 to the power 6 plus 1.5 times 10 to the power 5. First thing I do is break up the question by adding brackets. And what I do here is I add 5 zeros. And the reason for that is because it's power 6 and I've moved the decimal place 6 points to the right. Next we do the same thing for the other number. This would be 150,000. And the reason for this is because we've moved this decimal point 5 times because it's to the power of 5. Therefore, as you can see, these are ordinary numbers now. Next thing we do is just add up these two numbers, giving us 8,850,000. And there you can see it's in our ordinary form which the question asked. I hope this video helped. Please give a like and subscribe.